Hello everyone, this is Dr. K and today I'm going to show you how to add hashtag above your title. The question was from eaTV. How to add hashtag above your title. In your description, when you are uploading your video, your first 3 hashtags shows above your titles. As you can see, I am just uploading my new video how to fix VLC problems, crashing, lagging, skipping. In my description below I have written the procedure how to do that, and you will see right there these 2 hashtags I am using. First hashtag is Dr. K Tech Specialist and second hashtag is fix VLC media player. These 2 hashtags will show above my title. As you can see right here, I have write this, and these 2 hashtags Filmora 9 and Dr. K Tech Specialist, these are above my title. Hopefully you get my point. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the